Take you back now to that explosion at a nursing home in Bucks County. We know that 2 people are dead, several others are hurt, and some may still be missing. NBC 10's Neil Fischer live at the scene in Bristol. Neil, bring us up to speed. What have you learned from overnight?
Aaron, good morning to you. I just spoke with police here at the scene. I'm told that rescue efforts ended at around 10 o'clock last night. Right now, we know that at least 2 people have died. Officials initially reporting that 3 people were killed in the explosion, fire, and collapsed yesterday afternoon. But 1 person was resuscitated at a local hospital. So 2 people have died right now. Several others are injured. This is a look at the Silver Lake Nursing Home here in Bristol. It's lit up by floodlights this morning. First responders remain at the scene after that explosion, fire, and collapse yesterday afternoon. This morning, we spoke with a woman who says she used to work here at the facility.
It's very emotional. I was not expecting it to be this bad. Yeah, it's catastrophic.
And preliminary reports indicate a gas leak may have caused the explosion, which caused the first floor to fall into the basement, trapping people inside. Bristol Fire Chief Kevin DiPolito said people were trapped in the basement, stairwells, and elevators. Firefighters were able to rescue 2 people from the collapsed area in the basement, while other first responders pulled many of the residents out of the building through the windows.
They were quite literally climbing up ladders, handing individuals in this nursing home to police who were at times carrying 2 people on their back to safety.
Governor Shapiro called the explosion catastrophic. We know that Pico crews responded to the nursing home for a reported gas odor before the explosion occurred. Pico says all of their employees are accounted for. And we're expecting to gather additional details from officials later today. This morning, we know that at least 2 people have died. Several others were injured in the explosion, fire, and collapse. Officials are having a hard time figuring out exactly how many people were injured because of the different area hospitals that people have gone to. Aaron?
Neil Fischer live on the scene there in Bucks County. We will check back in with Neil throughout the morning. The NBC 10 investigators are taking a closer look at the nursing home. According to Medicare.gov, a fire inspection last September found sprinklers in all required areas. Emergency plans, drills, gas and electrical systems, all in order. But the nursing home has paid more than $400,000 in federal fines over the past 3 years. Those fines stem from quality of care and administrative issues. Now, a state inspection from just 2 months ago also uncovered some problems at the facility. The nursing home did not have a life safety floor plan, that is a map showing fire barriers and exits, and administrators confirmed it wasn't available. Inspectors also flagged smoke compartment issues, including an oxygen storage door that wasn't smoke tight. The facility had until the end of November to fix the problems. We've reached out to the state for an update. We are waiting to hear back.